Dragonframe software is designed for creating high-quality stop-motion animation. Dragonframe's specialty is working with digital still cameras like Canon, Nikon, and Sony that have live view capabilities. Make sure to visit our camera page and see if your camera is compatible with Dragonframe. When you connect a camera with a USB cable to your computer, Dragonframe will detect your camera and activate its live view function. Before you start shooting, you'll want to check your camera's exposure settings in the cinematography workspace. This interface controls your camera directly. Check your exposure, focus, and composition here. You can also set image quality using full resolution stills and even RAW files. Return to the animation workspace to shoot your first frame. All of the important animation controls can be found on your Dragonframe keypad. As you shoot, Dragonframe automatically downloads your images into a folder on your hard drive. As you continue to shoot frames, you can compare your last frame shot to the current live view. Do this by stepping back and forth through your frames, ending with the live view. When you're done shooting, you can export QuickTimes or image sequences. Dragonframe is easy for beginners, but also supports the needs of the professional stop-motion industry with controls for lip-sync track reading, animated DMX lighting, and motion control programming for camera moves. So as your projects grow, Dragonframe has the tools to support your vision.